Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am so glad to have a chance to introduce myself to you. I am Anirban Jana. I am 19-year-old and I live in Rapada. So today I am going to share about my first tour in my school. So it probably happens when I am studying sixth or seventh class. So it is a surprise tour because I did not know the tour was held that day because I am absent for so many days. And when I am in school that day, I heard that we have got a tour for just class 6 and 7. So we have to give 50 or 100 rupees because it is nearby Nandigram short trip. The trip was on Nandigram. So then next day I get my money and give it to the teachers, and after that at about 11 p.m. 11 a.m. Our bus came and we sit on the bus. After that our journey was started, and at about um, 12 or 12 20 30, that kind of time we arrived in Nandigram. So basically we have visited in two places. First of all is the Nandigram police station. So this is my first time I see any police station, and when I we enter, I saw that in a big ground there is lots of bikes. uh, Eventually it is 200s of them. There is lots of bike and they are all rusted, and I am very surprised. Then we entered the police station, and we our teacher introduced us to the police কি বলে বড় বাবু police officers, and then we saw the lockup and the other stuffs. And after that at about 1 p.m. 1 p.m. we arrived on the other place that is called the Douglas Field. It is very historical place because we studied it. But when I actually see the Douglas Field, I kind of regretting that because it is a big name, Douglas Field. But when we saw that it is more smaller than our school's ground, and there is many holes in the field, and that's not very in a good condition also. After that in an additional place we visited in a nearby temple. It's a big temple, but I can't remember the name. So basically, yeah, probably there is yes, Jamkinath temple. And yes, yes, our one sir exactly physically like you, like a thin man. He tried to pull up the stone, but he can't pull up. He just lift it under his knees, and he failed it. And other teachers also tried that, but they can't lift it higher. So, and the beside there is a school, girls school probably. The girls also looking at us because the view is very clear. And after that we worship sometime to the temple, and then we return to our buses. And that time The teachers gave us our tiffin box. The tiffin was one samosa and one two kind of sweets and a cake and a egg also. Then but I did not want to eat, so I put it in my bag. And after that, at about 2:30, our bus started to heading our home. Then at about 40 or 50 minutes later, we arrive our bus school gate, and after that I came back home as usual, and then I shared my tiffin with my brothers also. And that's all about my first tour in school. So thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for giving me the opportunity.